My name is Maia Bittner. I graduated in 2011 from Olin College. I was originally part of the class of 2010, but I took a year off. And I'm the CTO and co-founder of Rocksbox. Rocksbox is a membership service. Our customers have a membership with us and they pay by the month. And what that gives them access to is our huge library of designer jewelry. And our stylists will select 3 of these pieces for one of our members to wear at a time. So they get this set of 3 pieces and they can wear it as long as they want. So it's like Netflix in that way, is that you can keep it until you get bored of the pieces. Just our daily operations, the scale is pretty large. Every day we receive from 100 to 300 shipments. That's about 700 pieces of jewelry that we have to check back into inventory, sterilize for the next customer, and clean up. And then the same, we ship outbound. So every day we're shipping between 100 and 300 packages to our customers. Over 1,000 pieces of jewelry that we're processing through the office here every day. At Rocksbox, for a long time, I was the only engineer here and the only dev. So it was necessary that I have to be able to communicate different technical constraints and different parts of the engineering world to people who weren't engineers. And that's the thing that I definitely see when I think of Olin students in general, is that they're the people that are able to communicate across disciplines. They're able to connect with people and they have hobbies and interests that are outside of engineering. They don't live in this silo of engineers. The skills from working in a team are just so applicable here. And there are all these different components about someone that make someone good at working in a team. And I think about Olin's feedback culture often and how proactive they are both about giving feedback and asking for feedback. When you're working in an early stage startup as a founder or as an employee, so much of that is doing things that you've never done before, and I think that that's the thing that Olin really prepared me to deal with. When Rocksbox was really small and it was just 2 or 3 people, there wasn't anyone I could ask for help or say, tell me how to deal with customs when you're manufacturing things in China and shipping them here. I just had to learn how to do it and fill out the paperwork and do some research and teach myself. And so I think that's really the biggest thing, in that that's why Olin lends itself really well to entrepreneurship, is because when you're starting a company, you're never going to know everything that you need to know to do something ahead of time. You're just going to have to learn it on the fly.